Chiliz value equivalent to $0.0801 a coin, or so they thought. The present range, $0.0779, $0.0851 in an unobtrusive way. The earlier day close, $0.0780 in a for the most part significant manner. The change was plus 0.0021. Plus 2.69% in a quite huge way. Backwards rate, United States dollars to CHZ, or so they fundamentally thought. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Chiliz cost forecast for June 2023. In the first place, cost at $0.099, or so they for the most part thought. Greatest cost $0.112. Sort of least cost $0.059. The normal for the month $0.090. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.089. Change for June 10.1%, or so they sort of thought. CHC to United States dollars expectations for July 2023. Initially cost at $0.089. Most extreme cost $0.109. Least cost $0.059. The especially normal for the month $0.090, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.102. Change for July 14.6%, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2023. Before all else cost at $0.102 in a significant manner. Most extreme cost $0.102. Least cost $0.080 in an unobtrusive way. The very normal for the month $0.093 in an unpretentious manner. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.086. Change for August 15.7%. CHC to United States dollars expectations for September 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.086 in an unpretentious manner. Greatest cost $0.096. Least cost $0.084. The normal for the month $0.089. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.090. Change for September 4.7%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset cost at $0.090. Most extreme cost $0.090. Genuinely least cost $0.077 in a significant way. The for the most part normal for the month $0.085 in a significant manner. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.083. Change for October 7.8%. CHC to United States dollars expectations for November 2023 in an unpretentious manner. In the first place cost at $0.083. Greatest cost $0.088. Least cost $0.076. The sort of normal for the month $0.082, which is genuinely critical. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.082. Change for November 1.2%. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at $0.082, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Greatest cost $0.102. Least cost $0.082. The kind of normal for the month $0.090. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.095. Change for December 15.9%. CHC to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. To start with cost at $0.095 in every way that really matters, huge way. Most extreme cost $0.095. Least cost $0.074, which really is very huge. The normal for the month $0.086. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end $0.080. Change for January 15.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at $0.080, which is very critical. Greatest cost $0.080. Least cost $0.062. The normal for the month $0.072. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.067. Change for February 16.3% in an unpretentious manner. CHC to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.067, or so they thought. Greatest cost $0.067. Least cost $0.059. which is very huge. The fundamentally normal for the month $0.064 incredibly. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.063, change for spring 6.0%. Or so they thought. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2024 incredibly. To start with cost at $0.063, which is very critical. Greatest cost $0.073, kind of least cost $0.063. Or so they generally thought. The normal for the month $0.067. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.068. Change for April 7.9% in a by and large huge manner. CHC to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. At the outset cost at $0.068. Or so they most certainly thought. Greatest cost $0.085. Essentially least cost $0.068. Which for the most part is genuinely huge. The normal for the month $0.075. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end $0.079. Change for May 16.2%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2024, which is very huge. Before all else cost at $0.079. Most extreme cost $0.098. Least cost $0.079. Which fundamentally is very huge. The normal for the month $0.087 in an unobtrusive manner. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.092. Change for June 16.5%. Which is genuinely critical. CHC to United States dollars expectations for July 2025. At the outset cost at $0.060. Most extreme cost $0.060. Genuinely least cost $0.050 amazingly. The normal for the month $0.056. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $0.054. Change for July 10.0%. United States dollars to CHC conversion scale genuinely equivalent to 12.4844 Chilizes per $1 in a sort of significant manner. Today's reach 11.7516 to 12.8370. The past day's nearby 12.8205 in a for the most part enormous manner. Change for now 0.3361, 2.62% in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Chiliz gauge for 2023, 2024. 2025, 2026 and 2027 United States dollars to CHC expectations for June 2023 amazingly. In the first place cost at 10.10 Chilizes, greatest cost 16.95, least 8.93. The sort of normal for the month 11.81. The United States dollars to CHC estimate toward the month's end 11.24. Change for June 11.3%. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for July 2023. Before all else cost at 11.24 Chilizes. Most extreme cost 16.95. Least 9.17. The in every practical